For this next part, let's go ahead and open up Zapier, and then we're going to create the glue that connects together our Airtable result with our PandaDoc and allows a document to be created and sent. So over to Zapier, we're going to go ahead and create a new Zap. We're going to name this Zap Airtable to PandaDoc. Contract, create and send. The first app is going to be Airtable. Select new record in view, press continue, connect Airtable, base, sales pipeline, the table is going to be sales deals, and then the view is going to be contract sent. Press continue, and then it's going to look for a record. If you press test continue, it's going to wait. So now we go over to our Airtable, back to all deals, change a deal from negotiation to contract. This should put a record in contract sent, and this should trigger Zapier as well. If you want to check this, open it back up, go find data, and you can see it in here. That means you're good to go. Next step is PandaDoc. Connect PandaDoc, and we're going to want to create a document from a template. Continue, connect your PandaDoc account. Document name is going to be MakerPad contract for Dalo. Template, find the template that we just created. You're going to want to send the document. This is going to be a message for the person who's this is going to go to, so you can pull in a field from Airtable. The client email is one of the ones that we can pull in from Airtable as well, so this should be on your Airtable record or whatever database you're using. Then if you scroll down, you can add a CC if you like. If you scroll down, you should see these two fields at the bottom here. You want to look for the field contact name, which is the ones we've added in PandaDoc, which you wanted to fill in, which is these ones here. So we want to fill in the contact name and the company name. So we've got the first name and last name, so we just add the first name, space, the last name, and then the company name can go in here as well. Pricing table, if you add a pricing table, if you want to include quotes, you can do that in here also. Then press continue, test and continue, and then hopefully in a few seconds this will go off and this will create a doc within PandaDoc containing the info that we need. Perfect. To check if it's worked, you can check the data here, document sent. We can then go back into our documents within PandaDoc, check it's been created and sent. This is a new one at the top. Open it up and you should see that it's pulled in the information from our Airtable and then input them into these fields here. Scroll down to the bottom to check that it's done the bottom ones as well. Perfect. All good. If you're seeing this, you're ready to move on.